welcome to Real News Engineering. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic social media depression detection using machine learning. So, what the topic is all about? So, what is the meaning of social media depression detection? The meaning is we are using the social media data to detect the person depressive or not depressive. That means a lot of people are using social media to express their feelings, their thoughts daily basis, right? So we can, these are the realistic data, these are the realistic thoughts and of a person, right? So you can take these datas and we can see whether the person is depressive or not depressive. Or in simple thing, we can say what is the sentiment of a person at the moment. We can take the data of the person. I can see the what is that sentiment of a person, whether he is in a good mood or in a depressive mood. Okay, and how can we detect such things using our machine learning classifiers technique? Okay, so let's move forward. So social media, okay, obviously social media is a great platform of realistic data from online users. And what is the depression? This is a mental disorder. Okay, and it's being common nowadays. And internet is a users are sharing a lot of thoughts, their experience, their experiences through the social media platform. So here you can see this is a data set, and these are the data set. Actually the snapshot of the data set is taken. Actually a huge amount of data are there, but only a snapshot of 5 data sets are taken. And what is the main content of the data sets? The main content of the data set is the comments of a person. Like how can we detect whether the person is, what is the sentiment of a person? He is in a depressive mood or non-depressive mood. How can we say that, predict that? We can predict that by taking the data. What data? The comments of a realistic comments of a person which they are giving in the social media. So here you can see this is a data set. I'm just making a bigger size. Okay, you can see that this is a real comment given by some social media user. Okay, so the first comment is I love at the rate health for you pets, you guys are the best, exclamation marks. Okay, this is the comment given by a social media user. Okay, and we want to predict from the comment that whether the user is in a, what is the sentiment of a user, in a good mood or in a depressive mood or non-depressive mood, right? So you can see so many comments are taken. This is a long data sets and many comments are present, and this classifier will predict whether what is the current sentiment of a person. Okay, you can see from the how this, what are the steps to do such things. Okay, you can see from the comment or the tweet, a clean tweet is generated. You can see like in the first comment, I love at the rate etc. You can see the clean tweet is love health you and pet best. Okay, so here you can see that the most relevant words are taken. The most relevant words which can predict, which can help in analyzing, predicting the correct result, that whether a person is, what the mood of a person. Okay, so you can see that the erroneous words like at the rate, exclamation, there is a word like 4, numeric 4. These are, and I is also removed because it is a stop word which doesn't give a proper result, right? So the most relevant words are taken, or you can say this is a clean comment, clean tweet, clean comment. You can see most relevant comment words are taken from a single comment, and this clean tweet or clean comment will help us in predicting our whether a correct result, whether a person is depressive or non-depressive. Okay, so after doing this, after cleaning the tweet comment, the next is after using cleaning all the comment, the next is we will use some this is the clean tweet text. We will use some feature extraction technique. What are the feature extraction technique? Like the tokenization technique, Okay, TF-IDF technique. Okay, we'll use some tokenization technique. What is the meaning of tokenization? Tokenization means in a command, the words, the characters, okay, the words or the characters will be separated into token. Okay, or if there is a, like, if a sentence, a string, you can say a string or a sentence is present, particular word will be taken, or particular token will be taken. Like love is a word, this is a token. And if only a word is present, like smarter, smarter is a word, right? If only the word smarter is present, then smart, the character will be tokenized, like smart, okay, and ear will be er, smart, right? You can see here, just a minute. Okay, smarter is present, smart and ear. Ear is included to make it smarter. Smart and ear will be divided. Okay, this is at character level. Okay, so these tokenization, feature extraction means tokenization techniques. Some of the tokenization techniques will be applied, okay, to the clean tweet text. Okay, after that, okay, the next is here, the next is about the visualization of data using word cloud. This is just a visualization technique, nothing else. Like in the data set, in the social media comment data set, many comments are present. So from that, using a word cloud is a technique of visualization of data. This is a box type visualization where the words which are most frequently used in the data sets are larger in size, like no, work, nice, etc., think, etc. And the word which frequency is less are smaller in size, like follow, home, okay, night. These are the words. So this is just a word visualization technique, okay, using your word cloud. Next is, okay, this is also a visualization technique using bar graph. You can see here, right, here the data, like the data are given, okay, you can see the positive, negative, and you can see here, right, the positive, negative, and neutral data. Like how many positive, I mean non-depressive data are present, how many good mood comments are present, like the person is in a good mood, that is in your blue colored. The negative, that is in your red colored, means these are the depressive comments, like. And the neutral, sometimes the people is not in a happy mood, not in a bad mood. And the neutral mood, the neutral data are present. So three things are detected by the classifier, whether a person is in a positive mood, neutral mood, or in a negative, whether a person is a depressive mood, non-depressive, or in a neutral mode. Okay, this is also just a visualizer technique. Next, this is the overall thing which I have explained, I have represented in a diagrammatic way. Data set will be taken, the pre-processing or the cleaning of the data will be done. How? By using, by eliminating the non-useful word text. Already I have shown the example, like exclamation mark, numbers, etc. Feature extraction will be done, like tokenization process will be done. More extracted words which gives the correct result will be extracted from the comment. So what is in general machine learning technique, that is spreading and training the data set, okay, into train and test. Finally, the machine learning classifiers are applied and we get the result. Okay, and basically here two classifiers are applied, that is your support vector machine and decision tree. Okay, and what is the result of the classifiers, that SVM, your support vector machine gives 93% accuracy and decision tree gives 76% of accuracy, right? So this is a very good technique of sentiment, detecting the sentiment of a person, whether a person is a depressive or non-depressive mood, using your machine learning techniques. Okay, so these are the two resultants. One is giving, SVM is giving 93% and decision tree is giving 76% of accuracy, right? So this is all about today's video. And anything related to this, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Yes, of course, the implementation part that I'll be sharing in the next upcoming video. Okay, so I hope you got a good idea about relevant to this topic of depression detection using machine learning. So if you want to go further enhance, you can also work on different data sets. Those who are working on machine learning, you can work on different data sets. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, comment, and yes, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you all.